Are you curious about a game that boosts academic success? Let's talk Dungeons and Dragons in the classroom. Imagine a game where your students become heroes, strategists, and storytellers, all while learning. Welcome to Dungeons and Dragons, a tool that's revolutionizing education. A study by Bath Academy in the UK found that D&D enhances critical thinking, teamwork, and creativity. With each roll of the dice, students make decisions that shape their adventure, teaching them problem-solving and adaptability. But it's not just about the game, and it's about social and emotional learning. Characters face challenges that build empathy, self-awareness, and resilience. Actor Chris Pine even suggests D&D for school curricula, calling it a unifying and fun experience. And the benefits? They're not just academic. Texas students who played D&D had higher test scores thanks to the game's focus on collaboration and strategic thinking. So why not bring a bit of magic into your classroom? Let's roll the dice on Dungeons and Dragons and watch students thrive both academically and socially. Join the adventure. You there.